Hey there, I wanted to share a quick video with you on a fantastic way to create chapters in your YouTube videos that is quick and easy and painless. As you're aware, you can create chapters in long YouTube videos by creating a timestamp and a chapter title in your description. And what YouTube does is looks at those timestamps and chapter titles and puts it in there. That way, as a viewer, then you're able to scrub through those chapters and go to the section which you're interested about. Normally, this was a time-consuming process. Yeah, YouTube can do it automatically sometimes, and there's a little tick box that you can check in your settings that allows this, but it doesn't always work and the titles aren't exactly what you want. But I've just come across this great way of creating chapters for videos that no one else is talking about yet. So let's go through it and have a quick look. So we are at my YouTube Studio page, and what you want to do is do your video, upload it, and YouTube will create that transcript automatically. Next, you want to go to your video. So what we'll do is we'll go to this one here. This is the one about my life-size C3PO that I did 3D printing. We'll open that up. Okay. Then we'll go down to the description and expand it, and we'll scroll down until we get to transcript. Now we'll open the transcript. I'll just move my video over here, and here's my transcript here. Now I like to select the entire transcript, Control C or Command C to copy it. So once I've done that, I will go to my AI of choice. You could use whatever you've got. I've got Gemini. There are other ones out there. One is ChatGPT, etc. There's Microsoft Copilot. We go to our AI of choice, and we will put a prompt something like this: create chapters for YouTube based on the following transcript. And now I'll paste that in there, Control V or Command V, and we'll hit return. Once that's completed, it spits out the chapters based on what I was actually talking about. And here you can either A, if you're happy with it, just cut and paste, or if you're not happy with it, you can change the titles or remove sections that you don't want. So in this case, I will select it all, copy. Then I will go back to YouTube Studio, and I will paste that in there. Then I will save it. I'll open the video up to have a look at it again. And now you'll be able to see the chapters that we just put in there: the printing process, building the PVC internal, wiring the midsection, animating the head, arm mechanics, detail parts. So that is a very quick and easy way to create chapters in your YouTube video with a little help by AI. Hopefully it helps you with your videos. Please give me a like and subscribe for more. See ya.